Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming headers and selecting your data range. This lets Excel recognize columns for filtering. Once selected, press Ctrl+T or choose Insert Table to convert the range. This creates filter drop-downs automatically. Make sure the header names describe the content clearly because filters work by header labels. After table creation, look for small filter arrows on each header. Clicking them is your next actionable step to open the filter. You open the header filter arrow and hover over Filter by color to see options for cell color and font color. Choose the one matching how you highlighted data. Once done, select the specific color swatch shown in the submenu to display only rows with that formatting. Make sure to combine color filtering with text or number filters if you need finer control, use, and slash or logic. Doing this reduces the dataset visually so you can focus on colored entries only. You finish by reviewing the filtered results and copying or analyzing as needed. To restore all rows, click the header arrow and choose Clear Filter from. Once done, note that conditional formatting may change colors dynamically, so make sure formatting is stable before relying on color filters. If color is inconsistent, create a helper column with formulas to flag criteria, then filter that column. Troubleshooting tip: if filter shows nothing, verify exact color shades and reapply uniform formatting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.